Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for unemployment in Pennsylvania. First, gather all your personal and employment details, including your social security number and past employer information. Next, confirm you meet the state's specific eligibility requirements. Finally, navigate to the official Pennsylvania Unemployment Compensation Benefit System website to begin your application. This preparation will help streamline the entire process for you. When you apply, you will need your social security number and driver's license or state ID. Be ready with the names, addresses, and phone numbers for all employers from the past 18 months. You will also need your last day worked and the specific reason for your job separation. Additionally, have your gross earnings for the last 18 months readily available to ensure a complete application. To start, create a new account or log into the PAUC benefit system. Proceed to carefully fill out every required section of the application form. It is crucial to review all your entered information for accuracy before you finalize and submit it. Once submitted, make sure to save your confirmation number. It is essential for tracking your application status and any future inquiries. After submitting your application, you must certify your eligibility every 2 weeks to continue receiving benefits. It is also important to actively search for new employment opportunities during this time. Be sure to respond promptly to any requests for information from the Unemployment Compensation Office. Finally, be aware that there might be a waiting period before your benefits begin, so plan accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.